Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a quick review of Western Digital My Passport SSD. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, speed test, capacity options and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of My Passport SSD, you will find the portable SSD along with a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. There is also a USB Type-A adapter provided for the connectivity purposes. The USB cable is very small in size, so it would be better if along with the USB Type-A adapter, Western Digital could provide an extension cable as well. Talking about the design and build quality, the WD My Passport SSD comes in vibrant color and look quite eye-catching and flashy compared to other portable SSDs. The top is made of metal while the bottom is made of plastic. The casing is strong enough, but it's not as durable or rugged as the SanDisk's Extreme Pro. Western Digital officially says that My Passport SSD can handle faults up to 6.5 feet, but officially it does not come with any kind of military grade certification or IP certification against the water, dust, impacts, etc. The 3D grooves provided on the casing looks beautiful and also provide a nice grip while holding the My Passport SSD in hand because the rest of the body is quite smooth and slippery. It's pretty thin at 9 mm and also quite lightweight as it weighs just 54 grams. We just got one USB port for the connectivity purpose and it does not come with any kind of activity light. Talking about the capacity, the Western Digital My Passport SSD is available from 500 GB up to 4 TB. The one we got here comes with 1 TB storage, so it does not matter what are your storage requirements, the My Passport SSD will be able to fulfill it from half TB to 4 TB. Officially, the My Passport SSD does not come with any kind of endurance rating, but it can be considered a good thing here because Western Digital officially provides 5 years of warranty. So it does not matter how many times read-write activity you are going to perform on your My Passport SSD, if anything goes wrong, you can claim your warranty to Western Digital and it will be fulfilled. Talking about the speed, Western Digital officially claims 1 Gbps read and write speed on My Passport SSD, and in our SSD benchmarking test, we were able to get the pretty much same read and write speed for sequential tests on our My Passport SSD. But keep one thing in your mind that for this you will have to use a fast speed USB cable. So if instead of the provided USB cable in the box of My Passport SSD, if you use another one, then there is a probability that you will get way lower speed on your My Passport SSD. When it comes to security, Western Digital provides the discovery software to manage the devices and to download few other applications. The WD Security and WD Backup software also manage the password protection of the device and configure the backup task on both Windows and Mac OS based computers. It also comes with hardware based AES 256-bit encryption, so your data will be pretty safe on My Passport SSD. Overall, the WD My Passport SSD is a very nice portable SSD as it comes with nice eye-catching design, up to 1 Gbps fast read and write speed, multiple color and storage options without costing you too much money. So if you're planning to buy a portable SSD for yourself, then Western Digital My Passport SSD is one of the nice options for you for sure. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.